Good morning. It's early morning. Just woke up, got my coffee. Still in Rotorua right now, and Rotorua that was. Told you I just woke up. We're gonna go check out the lake, see what it's like this morning. Should be nice. Cheers.
Good.
Look at all the swans. G'day, mate. G'day, mate. How's it going? Whoa. Hey, that wasn't very nice. What's for breakfast, kids?
In today's menu we have ciabatta, is that how you say it? Ciabatta bread with bacon and eggs, mate. And I tell you what, it's going to be delicious.
Barbecue's a hit, mate.
Thanks, bro.
Intense, man.
Was it good fun?
Yeah.